Question about why is it that in their late 30s or early 40s probably people turn back to their own faith and explore spirituality later through their own faith or religion? Is it because of pain or suffering that they've seen life enough? They've definitely seen life, no doubt. They've definitely seen life and they know what the world is like in a certain way. Especially when you achieve and when you kind of, if might allow me to use that phrase, seen it all and done it all, kind of in the world, people start looking for something much more deeper than what they are doing at that point in time in their lives.
Because they realize that the answers are not present
Answers are not in what they are doing.
in the money and fame.
The answers are not in the money. The answers are not in the alcohol. The answers are not in the sex. Right. And these may be a part of life for many people, and I'm not against or for or nothing, any of those things. I'm just saying that at a certain stage in your life, you realize that these may be a part of life. This may even be necessary for many people in their lives. But a deeper sense of fulfillment won't come from any of these. Money is a crucial part of life, a very important part of life. Right? And you can't not have money. You can't not work for money. You can't not hustle for money. You would do that. Once a person reaches a certain stage of financial security, money stops driving them. They don't work just for money. They want a deeper sense of fulfillment, which then comes from purpose. At a certain stage, it was just money, money, money. Yeah, I want money, more money, more money. I want more. That's what's driving them. But the drive changes. After a certain status, after a certain stage, when you reach a certain financial security, your drive changes. You say, no, this cannot fulfill me any longer. Not that I won't strive for it, not that I won't look for more. I'll probably hustle and work hard to get more, but I know there's more than this that's needed to fulfill me. You know what I mean? So, a lot of these people do come to this conclusion that these things don't seem to the answer to fulfill my soul. What can fulfill my soul? A purpose for sure will make me very deeply satisfied. Very deep within, there is a satisfaction, there's a fulfillment, there's a kind of contentment that you get very deep within because of living by purpose. The second is obviously spirituality. Yeah.